All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set. This is a 10 on 10. 10 teeth on top, 10 on the bottom. It is gold plated over solid 925 sterling silver. It is handmade for a perfect fit. And you can order this on our website, blingcartel.com. We send you out a mold kit that you bite down on, then you mail it back to us. And it is going to be handmade to fit your teeth perfectly. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. I'm going to show you the back side. So this is what it looks like on the back end. It snaps right on the teeth there. There's no silicone required or anything like that. All right. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Custom fitted grills. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.